Hello, welcome to this video, another video on this channel. Thank you for joining us. In today's video, we're going to see how you can reset your Glow MiFi. So there are times where the Glow MiFi malfunctions and it doesn't work properly. So in this video, we're going to see how you can get it reset. So to get started, first of all, you have to get your MiFi connected. You can see ours is on here. It's two lights here. It shows that it is on. So ensure that it is on to get it reset, and ensure the default password is saved. So you head over to your browser and type in the IP key 192.168.8.1. So after you've done that, you click enter on your dashboard of PC. So you enter the password is usually admin. After you have done that, you can see. So this is the home settings. This is the home page of Glow the Glow dashboard. So to reset it, you head over to from this menu here, the top menu here. You can see the various menu. You have mobile network, Wi-Fi network, device network, and tools. You head over to advanced. Click advanced and click system. On system here, you can see here, you see reset. Click on reset. So it will notify you that all configurations will be restored to factory settings. Please proceed with caution. So we now proceed. You can see your configuration will be restored eventually. Then from there, you click OK. And why it is on, the Wi-Fi will be blinking. The Wi-Fi, the tool will just permanently on. It will blink for a while, then it will permanently on. As you can see, it will permanently on here. It will permanently on while it's restoring to factory settings. As you can see, it's no longer connected. As you can see from the ECA has been disconnected. It's no longer connected here. It's no longer connected. Part of the reset setting process, it will disconnect here from the connection here will be disconnected. So officially, it's now reset. As you can see, it's now on back. We are not being notified. You can see the dashboard has now officially gone back to default mode. You can see check label on your device for the password. You can see it has now gone back to default. It's no longer connected. So we now have to log in. As you can see, it has now reset, but it's now back. It's now connected back. As you can see here, it's connected back. As you can see, the dashboard is now back to default. We now have to log in again. It says admin. Click admin and log in. As you can see, we can update password. You can see welcome to this product. Everything is now back to default. We click next. Yeah, just agree. Because everything is now back to default. So this is it. This is the password, and then click say save as admin Wi-Fi password. You can do this set device login password. Click finish and update it. It's now saving settings. So as you can see, it's now back to how it was before. So that's how you can reset your Glow MiFi to default mode if there are issues with it. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video. Thank you.